we are looking at how to pronounce this word. We're going to be looking at what it is and more confusing names and words and vocabulary as well that many mispronounce, so stay tuned. So what is that? What's this unit? We'll look at how to pronounce it quickly. A negawatt market is proposed idea of implementation of the demand response that uses an energy market where the commodity traded in, say, hour, a unit of energy saved as a direct result of energy conservation measures. Negawatts is how it is said. Negawatts. Now you know. More videos for you here to learn more pronunciations. Stay tuned. Like this video to support. Appreciate. Thanks for watching.